Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Carla, and in today's video, we are diving into helping you grow your business smarter and faster. Today, we are going to unlock the secret of leveraging business credit to scale your business. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest content. So let's get started. First things first, understanding what business credit and why it's essential is crucial. Business credit, much like the personal credit, is a track record of your business financial responsibilities. It influences loans, terms, credit lines, and interest rates offered to your business. Knowing which credit bureau information lenders will pull from, typically Dun& Bradstreet, Equifax Business, or Experian Business, is key to tailor your credit approach. So you have to be aware of this. You have to put these credits usually consistently and be sure that these credit reports are nice and neat. You don't have any inaccuracies or anything like that. Just if you do have something weird, just dispute it and try to keep the three of them as clean as possible. If you are finding this video helpful so far, please give us a thumbs up, like this video, subscribe to my channel. If you have any question or comment that you want to do about regarding this subject, just write it down in the comment section below. Also, check out my free VIP group for more exclusive tips. I will leave the link in the description box below. Coming back to the subject, to leverage credit effectively, your business needs to have a strong credit profile. Here is how you can build or improve it. First, establish your business entity and ensure it's legally separated from your personal business. Keep it totally separate from A to Z. I mean, two different world. So don't don't mix up anything in either or because it's gonna be a mess at the end of the day for tax purpose and for other purpose too. So just keep business and personal separate. That's the best and the smarter things that you can do. Get a business credit card suits your spending patterns and financial needs. I mean, for your business, that way you can get the most benefit for of that credit card too. I mean, it can be, travel perks or cashbacks or whatever. Those are good choices. So you can go from there. The next thing is pay your bills on time or early. I mean, this is going to help you to boost your credit score and build trust with lenders. So keep this in mind. Choosing the right credit products is vital for leveraging your business credit. Here is a few things to consider. Line of credit, great for managing cash flow and unexpected expenses. Term loans. This is ideal for funding a specific investment like equipments or renovation or something like that that you can use for your business to benefit your business on the expansions or growth or something like that. Business credit card. This is essential for everyday expenses and building your credit. Card like American Express, Business Platinum, or Chase Inc. Business Prefer can offer valuable rewards and perks. Once your business has access to credit, it's time to leverage it to scale. So, the first thing that we're going to do is invest in market and sales. Use credit to fund marketing campaigns that can bring high returns to your business. This is basically, it's depend of your business type or your business line, but definitely marketing campaigns can help. Use There is many strategies that you can use in the marketing world to help your business. So be on the look, that do your research, see how you can apply some marketing campaigns to your business to benefit, to get more benefit and more returns or income to your business, and you can go from there. The next thing is expand operations. Basically, use your business loan to add a new location or increase your production capacity. So whatever your business is, try to figure out how you can get a loan and expand and use it wisely. That way you can expand your operation like double. I mean, start small, step by step, but double. The next thing is smooth out cash flow. use a revolving line of credit, basically a credit card, to manage seasonal dips in business without scaling growth. Without stalling growth. Smooth out cash flow, use a revolving line of credit to manage seasonal dip in business without stalling growth. So keep in mind this, use your credit card wisely to that way it can help your business. Let's take a look a couple of example. That way you can put these more in a real life example. So let's say that there is a tech startup. A tech company use a 50,000 line of credit to fund a critical software development phase, enabling them to meet a key milestone and secure additional venture capital. As another example could be, let's say a real estate, let's say a retail store. A retail store owner used a business credit card to stock up on inventory before the holiday season, maximizing their sales period without depleting their cash reserve. So if you follow what I'm saying, so what you have to do is leverage this credit as your the best convenience for your business in order to get much more from that investment. That's the purpose. So building and leveraging your business credit doesn't just expand your financial options, it opens up to new opportunities for a strategic investment and growth. Remember, the key to effectively leveraging credit is to maintain a solid credit profile and use funding strategically for high return investments. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with other entrepreneurs. That way they can benefit from this information too. Don't forget to check out my free VIP group. I will leave the link in the description box below for more insight and resources. Drop your experience in or questions about leveraging business credit in the comment section below. And let's keep the conversation going. I will catch you in the next video. Bye.